Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Patreon for recurring memberships step by step clearly. Visit the Patreon website at patreon.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Fill in the required information, such as your email and password. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, browse for the creator you want to support. Use the search bar or explore categories to find your favorite creators. Click on the creator's profile to view their membership options. Review the different membership tiers offered. Choose the tier that best fits your budget and desired perks. Click on the join button associated with your chosen tier. If prompted, select any additional benefits or add-ons. Next, you will need to enter your payment details. Fill in your credit or debit card information or choose an alternate payment method. Once your payment information is entered, review everything for accuracy. Confirm your pledge by clicking on the Confirm and Pledge button. After confirmation, you will receive a welcome message from the creator. You can now enjoy the exclusive content and perks of your membership. To manage your subscription, go to your account settings. Here, you can update your payment method, change tiers, or cancel if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.